Hi guys, super quick video today. So I've been out there looking for power solutions for my STARLINK Mini, and I came across this unit here to utilize my Ryobi 18 volt battery, lithium battery. And basically I've purchased this little unit on Amazon and it's absolutely amazing. It's got two USB-C ports, a normal USB-A port. It pumps out 100 watts, so 20 volts at 5 amps. So it ticks all the boxes, especially if you're using the long STARLINK 15-meter cable. Again, it's got a beautiful LED display, which makes it really simple to see the voltage, current, and wattage outputs. And yeah, it's beautiful. So I've been using it to power the STARLINK satellite dish, and it works brilliantly. So, and obviously depending on the size of the battery, whether or not sort of how long it would last. So again, I've tested it with 1.5 amp, 4 amp, 5 amp batteries, and it works beautifully. So yeah, so if you want to see a lot more detail in relation to this, go to the channel and I'll take you through it all in extreme detail. And then there's a whole heap of other videos in relation to the STARLINK usage, power consumption, mounting. I've just got my new magnetic mount for the car. So there's a video on that too, and go check it out. All right guys, it's a bit hot outside, so hence why I'm inside today. But yeah, like, subscribe, questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date,